Folks in Memphis, you've got to stop Googling for locksmiths. Let me show you why. Locksmith imposters are all over Google's Memphis locksmith searches. They have paid to be listed at the top of those searches. They are unlicensed scams, just like this one that Andy and my husband Tony busted on TV back in 2016. Instead, go to the lockmanmemphis.com or to our consumer protection profile on andywisechoices.com. You'll find our locksmith license, which can be verified at verify.tn.gov, our direct contact info, and if we are booked, we will gladly refer you to one of our competitor locksmiths who we trust and respect and know will take care of you.